Michelle here from Atlantic Canada Cooks, and welcome to the old Medina in Tetouan. Come for a little journey with me inside as I walk up these ancient steps, and you're going to see a combination of old and new. Come for a tour with me. So this is traditional Berber, and you will see people wearing these everywhere. You know why? It's going to protect you from the sun, and of course bring you a lot of extra joy. Beautiful colors. Look at these. This cinnamon, I can't wait to cook with it. Come back through the hallway of wood. As you see, this is all that's fitting down here. So can you imagine the kids coming through here on their way to school? And trust me, if you're carrying your packages, you're going to be carrying them front and back. Remember to explore all the hallways. And look at this, we go into the grand hallway.